Hello traders, markets paused today with UK rates tomorrow. Had some initial job figures in today, but the main non-farm payroll was Friday. So markets were pretty much a little bit stuck today. And this is the Dow is not quite closed yet. Got another 5-6 minutes till it closes. So what we're seeing here is, we've had this nice reversal pattern here on this fib level on the 16,000. And we got within a few points of the 18,000, but we're just stalling. We got the 50 and the 200 coming together, but yeah, the most likely path of resistance now, particularly with the MACD getting high, the RSI get divergent, most likely path of resistance is at least a test of this 600 area, so 250 points down. So I will be looking to see if we push into this level tomorrow and then see some weakness in the latter half of the session. So that'll be my plan on that one. DAX, you can see we've got, I've marked the this trend line coming across the highs. Just breached it slightly today, but then back on this 50% level. This is 50% fibs here. So again, same story. MACD's high, divergence in the RSI. We've not engulfed. There's not a sell signal as such, but we are certainly struggling, and I would expect to see 650 is the pullback area there. So I would expect to see this drift lower. As the rest of the week unfolds, and it could be the non-farm payroll really sort of sinks that, but we'll see. Euro is still tumbling. So once we had the sell-off, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, and we could get a pullback to 950, at which point we could then come and see 105. The resistance level now is 900. If we retest the lows of 29th of October. So just watch out for that level if you're interested in trading that one. Pound US is just, it's not had a great year really, apart from a couple of areas. Well, no, I say that, I take that back. I mean, we had a nice movement off of here for a short. We had a nice movement off of here for a little move. That took a while to wind up. Nice sell here, nice sell here, nice sell here, nice sell here, and here we are stuck between the 50 and the 200, not doing much. So, I mean, the euro, yeah, this is quite a different story from the euro. But if we, so what could happen to this one? Well, what could happen is we could continue just to really get stuck in this tight range, or we could break this low, and then this is a reversal bar up here. So we break this low, we are could tumble quite fast, at least down to 150 and beyond. So I will be looking for that. Well, it's a rates decision tomorrow. It could be that the rates decision is going to trip that one. Aussie US fairly flat at the moment, although with the gold sliding significantly, this could just roll over. In fact, that is a sell signal. We have there's a couple more hours to go on this, but we are closing under the 50 MA and engulfing yesterday's bar. So that does look at, we break this level here. That'll be the fourth touch of that. It could break through it. The trouble is the risk-reward ratio is so poor on it. That trend line sitting there, that makes it harder to trade. Last but not least, this is the pound yen. and we're hitting resistance. So I'm just pausing because it's late in the day and I need to gather my thoughts. Sorry about that. What we're seeing is there is a lot of resistance and we sold here for a few hundred points here. So we're above that, but narrowly. And we've had good data on the pound this week, and it just hasn't pushed that through. So obviously a lot of money on the sidelines, just waiting to see what is going to happen tomorrow. So we are right up against it. In fact, I'm going to leave the fibs off and then just leave this pattern up there and see what the market decides. But if we lose our footing at 187, then we are in for a bit of a timber experience. Close above there, and we could wind our way up to 188, 199, 190 and beyond. I mean, the fact we keep closing higher and we're getting a 50 and 200 EMA close, but it's become very hard to call. Alright, I'll leave it there and see you in the room tomorrow.